In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Gallery app and tap on Photos or Collections on the left. From one of those sections, to delete any photo, just hold one and either hit Select All at the top right corners of all of those categories, or click on this button with 3 check marks at the top right corner to select all of those at once. Wherever you decided, when you're done, slide your finger across photos you wanna keep and delete the rest by tapping on this button at the bottom, Delete one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete them from collections, do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!